Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, we are just dealing with this serious snowstorm here in Ontario, Canada and elsewhere in Canada. So guys, one is very important. See this. These are like your main equipment rooms inlet and outlet, right? And like it does secrete carbon monoxide gas. So when there's severe snowfall, if these exits are covered, it could be a health hazardous. Okay. So if you want to protect yourself and your loved one, make sure you keep them clear. If there's snowfall, make sure you keep some space so that it clear. And also, you see these exhaust lines. These also have to be cleared. I just cleared them. Okay. Otherwise, it may spread carbon monoxide inside your house, which could be very dangerous. So that's very important, guys. So thanks for watching this video, guys, and please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you.